On my mu politics inti say yare bi ba eya na opposition for bi obi be sie say wo modaye kese and say president so wonya yare ni bi aseme na making coronavirus by at least for me nkwano I have seen a lot of people who belong to the NDC wo mo eka say coronavirus no MPP officials no including the president na betumi aba say wo mo nya bi because mo kaya embra yare na ba no na president wo Norway na satan na Ghana for can say yare about president won free Norway number Ghana yare about and later news by say the Norway ambassador to Ghana onu so nya yare ni bi now the entire normal link say president no so nya fa yare ni say embra president e ko Norway no sa Norway ambassador to Ghana no wo no na wo ko share president wo ho a wo welcome no into Norway just like what protocols demand. Inti se later ye hu say the Norway ambassador to Ghana wonu so nya sa yare na obviously ngofu susu say we share president na bia we share president ti onu so enya yare ni bi na nkrofo ka ene na nado nya o na nado nya enu hu nti se muni amoka ya Kelvin Taylor ebe ye live feeder wo kan ye Kelvin Taylor de wo boso say president no ene senior minister eye wasafo mafo wo mutu no wo muenya eye corona yibi nkrofo kanya na nsenya NDC fo nso nsemo a wo mo ka nse aban mu mpanyifo bi enya yare ni bia wo mo de isie wo mo besa wo mo beka atre Ghana fo na enu hunti e wo say president wo ba bonten na wo koye test ni bi na ye nna ye hu se ne kre yare no owo anase woni on their politics ama wo man ye kodu na nke yo man bia even though the person a opposition krana unsusu se yare no wo benye bida ba Ghana ha say their politics esinti politics intio ni ye pe yare ama yanga sa ye president and I've seen this before me kai emra na atamils what is no sa time baby na meti tema community 2 me kai pa very very well na sa time no na my neighbors, make us my neighbors are one more strong MPP for. Now breaking news by say Atamil se wu na febe no ma fa MPP flag no mu jubilate Atamil se wu hey me say sa day no man tia up to now say me dwen ho kra na ye me say die so. They were happy because they belong to the opposition party, so they were happy say opposition president no wu. And it has gone from then up to now. Wobi nyaaya obi wo NDC munti wo nyaaya nanka president no waye den we film krako. You see how this country is. Inti ya reboni we ya abai obi trim wasi wono de onyaaya ka wo mampani nya madam fo bi wono so saa o ya NDC ni oframe ono ka dem so wono de wo believe say wo mampani no we nya wono de on trust wo mampani believe say we nya na make wo me trim say ya asemo because you don't belong to that political party unya yanka bo mampanyi no na nka wonya corona ibi. And the news are eba and say President Nanado wono any 98 other people are womuye ne close associates ne appointees ne family ne staff 98 into ono Nanado ne ka ho a nkrofo bako 99 wo mo attest for coronavirus and a test result na babontin a negative. Negative. Iti mo ana mo pese na na do wonya no. Enimguase akwa aba. Enimguase eno na atomo no. Inti no wo hwa Ghana, one of the biggest newspapers ewa Ghana, the Daily Statesman. Womo the article bi aba na mikita ewa ha say wose President Akufo-Addo enclose 8 test negative for COVID-19. And me person me read it or say credible information available to the Daily Statesman indicates that President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and his close appointees as well as all members of his household have tested negative for the novel coronavirus. The tests were conducted after the president had announced the directive for all persons who arrived in the country after March 3rd to undergo mandatory testing. According to a source at the presidency, all staff on both the third and fourth floors at Jubilee House were tested, and the results turned out to be negative. Included in those who were tested are Akosua Frima Opare Osei, who is the the chief of staff. Nana Bediato Asante, who is the executive secretary to the president. Francis Asensu Boachi, Samuel Abu Jinapo, both deputy chiefs of staff. Eugene Ahin, the director of communications at the presidency, that is Jubilee House. The president's aide at camp, ADC, and Saratu Atta, personal assistant to the president. The president no ene ne nkrofo ni na akwa coronavirus test. Na test no aba abonten negative. Eye nije mo ana mo hwe nim say president be ye test na ba out positive no. Enim gwase. De bia meka bebia politics yi yede ko ewo Ghana no yanhwe yi a de beba no enye de bia meka sa asem no, and it is not today enye ade a ende na esi because of politics inti opposition leader bi to no oyare na e wo say ye ni na ebia ye console no ubo say because of politics inti na nkofo ani age. Because of politics, oh, now go so opposition leader na adewe atono. Sebi mpre di asa. Enye adwimufin ene wo also. Sebi adwin a wo dwen no, enhye da anya adwin papa. Na ke beba otrim say president kra no, na nka wongo hye say obi wo coronavirus bi. Embra munia wo bia nim say sa coronavirus with the 70 and above na wonye bia. The chances say wo be wu no high. Enu hunti na ende Italy nkofu bebre wu no because most of the people dying embrewafo ne nkokrafo abomo Italy ho. Enya adwinfin ene wo otimu a. Will you even be thinking of something like this for your own president? Me say is it as you doing it here? And then I saw an article by me and me as a main fan because me so. I saw an article na no more can say as you doing it here can say woman nim say omanpanyin nkrofo bi wa ban mu no. Yes, woman nim say nkrofo bi wa ban mu there is likelihood say woman nya corona no. Now the information minister is hiding the information. Into your find information in Brabant. I saw the article. Me and me imagine said Dabi, wait there, 7 prediasa. Yeah, the politics 18 and 4 on my way to don't main fan article named Bramo. But you see, and this is not only an NDC matter. That is why I gave you an example way back. Way back. Now, baby, I'm at Tema West, community 2 at Tema West. Tema West, one NDC in Winnie Wahoda, a MPP for stronghold. NDC has never won at Tema West before. NDC, for some of and were your chairman. No, ono kra wa be standing here. E Tema West. Senanko was standing on the ticket of NDC, so person will win as MP. Because at time no. Na NDC a try sa no mun to me win seat neither. Into for some of be try ono kra wa be try no wenya. For sample for be try Tema West no wenya na atoshi ehwe no e ma nenum ni aye moja won my neighbor where there and say me neighbors womofa they were jubilating time now atami usuwu ya no they were jubilating me nim ignorance na you almost say satan knows na atami usin na nado na akọ e na nado nya. Into ignorance no mutrim no I almost say atami usewu dia and their presidency no ye de be mananado into no muni age say nana beji no mu nim say won one thing no say one go school asa illiteracy thinking sir, and it is something that has been with us for long. Country we mu obi belonging to opposition. Now who say oh the opposition leader no ebia ne hu keni biewu ana and the political partner biewu pe ya de be for no hu sisia. And we've seen that, especially Mahama, he has suffered that a lot. And some way I'm making, ube who say, a friend saying, MPP for Beba commenting was saying, NDC for dear woman, NDC for Beba Dimatem, so Omunye, but MPP for Beba can say NDC for Munyano, Ubaka no more cra, no more cajon, Embra, Ebia Camus, no more Kawamana, Wamudi Uwono, Esha Mahama con. Embra Mahama so ni VP ewu ye no mo be kwa kohwem no wo mo ende wo mo beka say NDC for there omutirimu po bia enya no wo be kwa kohwem no mo so embra VP wu ye no ne ye de hye Mahama kon. The two political parties we hu say ne yete intermediate de bia me ka tremo sa MPP ni NDC no they are all the same. Masa Mumaya Meka last be Meka za chale me meto amoike adonkono still obi be dim atem e wo comment box ni mo say minye serious aden na mekoto aba make adonko minye serious kra Meka se meto ama NDC a obi baba Meka say oh I believe the 2020 elections NDC for ebe lusu na MPP win no obi ba be dim atem and nipa kono po de wo frame me personally e didi matem enye easy o frame you me na ma that screen as no frame na me so de o mo frame ni anim say obi o frame bia no if the phone is with me nkwan de me nya time ene mo kasa nipa kono nya time di matem me so me nya time tie ni ye because makwa akoka say 2020 elections MPP be win mi kasa tie MPP nso a no mo crowd di matem e wo comment na say na fe two parties me see me vote mo bia me kwa koto make adonko so a eno nso wo bi ba be di matem. But media, if you've been following me for long, only say media meka de obi be kemi en fa me ho mo ntre mo adwen me la say